I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your QuickBooks. First, choose the right QuickBooks version for your business, whether it's online, desktop, or self-employed. Next, create your company file by entering essential details like your business name and industry. Finally, connect your bank and credit card accounts to enable automatic transaction downloads, saving you valuable time and ensuring accuracy from day one. Once your basic setup is complete, focus on your chart of accounts. This is crucial for categorizing every financial transaction, from sales revenue to office supplies. Then, define your products and services, including their sales prices and any applicable tax information. For businesses with physical goods, accurately setting up inventory items ensures you can track quantities and costs effectively, providing a clear picture of your assets. Next, populate your customer and vendor lists. Entering their contact and payment terms upfront streamlines future transactions. You can then easily create professional invoices for your customers, tracking their payment status from pending to paid. Similarly, record bills from your vendors as soon as you receive them, allowing you to manage your accounts payable and schedule payments efficiently, avoiding any late fees. Finally, leverage QuickBooks' powerful reporting features. Regularly generate reports such as the profit and loss statement and balance sheet to understand your business's financial health. Crucially, reconcile your bank and credit card accounts monthly. This process ensures that every transaction matches your statements, catching any discrepancies or errors. Consistent review of your financial data empowers you to make smart, data-driven business decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.